Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new Cigar Humidor. So I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Awesome. Alright, so here it is. It's made of a very nice quality leather. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and it does seem like it has like a little slot right here. Let's check it out. Very nice. It's like a stainless steel cutter for cigars. It gives like a very strong like cedar wood smell right off of here. I'll open this up. Very cool. Very nice lighter that comes with it. It's got like a little window right there so you can see the butane levels on it. And then just ready to go. Kind of some information on it. I'll go ahead and show you the inside. It's got a digital hygrometer right here. Look at this design. It's just like really, really nice. This part will hold up to 6 cigars, and it comes right out. So we'll go ahead and put it back, and then we'll put one in here, and then just kind of like lock it up like that. And you are good to go. That it's gonna keep it nice and fresh in here. The other cool thing is, as you can remove these, you can also remove the ones that are on this side, like so, like this. Put it back. You are able to change the compartments around or take them off if need be. So overall, this would make a great gift for anyone looking for or trying to keep their cigars like in good, fresh condition. So if you're looking for an awesome cigar humidor, definitely look into this one. Like I said, just quality items on here. Like I said, I'm just kind of doing a quick overview just based on what I see and the quality of just how it looks and feels. The aroma that you get, that you know you're going to keep everything fresh in here. I would definitely recommend this one.